So I think, especially in the rare disease world, data sharing is critical. And the data sharing is not a new thing. Clinicians have been sharing data by going to symposia where they present their undiagnosed cases for the last, for as long as clinical genetics has been a specialty. Now, just today with internet, it's become so much easier to share data. And I think people are a little bit afraid about their data sharing just because they don't completely understand what it may lead to. They're afraid of being scooped by people they don't know, who knows, I'll share my data and I don't know who's going to be accessing it. So there are also boundaries in terms of patient privacy boundaries and legal boundaries, which in some cases prevent data sharing. Overcoming these challenges really is about understanding that, well, first of all, the risks are not high. This is not something new. It's actually exactly what we've been doing for a long time. And also trying to build technology that can enable data sharing in a flexible yet somewhat rigorous way. So this is why in Phenome Central, while we can enable the discovery of cases, we don't enable the viewing of cases of other contributed by other users. So if I create a case, I will not be able to see the other case that's similar, but I'll know that it exists, and then I can contact the person who submitted the other case and say, can I please have read access to your case? And then once that's obtained, then this takes away the, I don't know who's going to be looking at my data. It takes away the fear of, I'm going to be scooped off my next great publication because somebody else will grab my data and run with it. The data is not accessible to others. Until you allow it. At the same time, the data is discoverable, so it's completely sitting in a silo where nobody will ever find out about it. Now, it's critical to data share because, as we all know, you need multiple patients in order to tell a valid scientific story. You cannot prove the causality of a variant based on one patient. You need to, or causality of a gene rather, based on one patient. You need to have multiple patients with consistent phenotypes, which all can support the fact that this is a good gene for the phenotype. And this is without data sharing, we will be searching for a long time for these remaining 3,000 disorders because there will not be one hospital, one clinician, or even one consortia who's going to see more than one or two such patients.